First she came. Let's see what we got. I don't know which pocket. This one? What is this one? Do I not? I know one of these has a knife in it. I'll open it with this. Okay. First we put this away for you know who complains. So what we got. Okay. Okay, so actually I'm not mad at that because I wanted it. Okay, for $19.95 we got the gigging cord. Arrows. Here are the arrows. And here are the gigs. Right. I'm gonna test that one out. You'll see in a minute. You'll see in a minute. The gig cord, Fox Spear Swallow cord, was designed. I guess they're both gig cords. Yeah. For $5.99. Next is the spool micro tool. I'm at Max. I want one. I actually want one for a kid I'm doing. So yeah. Then also for $5.99, the can opener micro tool. Who says I test this out? I want to test this out too, see how good it actually is. So yeah. Oh dude, there's 3 of these. 3 of them. Wow. Oh, one's a trident. One's straight up like, and one is, oh, I know what's that. Pretty cool. Then, oh good. Oh, thank God. Ooh. Okay, then we have tip cord wood rack boiling for $1.85. I'm glad they didn't, you know. It's in this style cord, of course. And then for $1.85, compass issues. Yeah. Metal items, free flowing needle, declination, double check, flat surfaces, arrow colors. Yeah. So, honestly, ain't mad. I'm testing this out though, so let me get. Yeah, let me get that. Yeah. I want to test it out too. Oh, I'll have a can. I don't have a can. Well, right now at least. So, on a video, I will test it out. Don't want to test it out. See if it can actually. So I'm always looking for like these style can openers anyway. So yeah. Anyway, this has been Postbox Bible. Happy Solid Wasting. God bless and peace.